a test demonstration of sample measurement using the McPherson VUVA system. A technician prepares for sample loading by load locking the motorized 121 sample chamber. Next, he removes the sample holder, placing it at a sample loading station. The technician removes the prepared sample from a UV ozone scrubber. Here, he loads it into the sample holder. At this point, the technician reinstalls the loaded sample holder into the motorized 121 sample chamber. At the appropriate vacuum or purge level, the technician opens the load locking valve. Here, the technician prepares the motorized 121 sample chamber environment either by vacuum evacuation or, in this case, purging with inert gas. Now, the technician adjusts the VUV polarizer, placing it into or out of the beam and rotating it to the desired degree. Next, the technician inserts or removes up to 5 filters in the Model 648 filter wheel. The technician will now rotate the sample to the desired angle of incidence, in this case 10 degrees, using software to rotate the motorized 121 sample chamber. Additionally, the technician will rotate the internal detector to twice the sample angle of incidence, in this case 20 degrees, using software to rotate the motorized 121 sample chamber. Finally, using software to set the desired parameters such as wavelength range, delay time, and application, the technician is now ready to measure this sample. The resulting scan shows reflectivity of a deep UV coating on a glass substrate from 115 nanometers to 220 nanometers. Highest reflectivity in this sample comes at 130 nanometers and is 82.5%, with a precision of plus or minus 0.2%. Thanks for watching. Questions? Call 978-256-4512 or visit McPhersonInc.com.